Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chat on PC. All right, as you can see here, I have downloaded this one. Don't worry if you don't know how to download this software for your PC. I have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and check it out on the channel. All right, you'll be able to find how to download a Google Chat on PC. Now, going back to the topic, how to use Google Chat on PC. Let's start from the top left. As you can see here, new chat. Just go ahead and add a person right here. For example, this guy. Just type in the email and you should be able to see a drop down right here. All right. If this is the person, just go ahead and click on it and click on start a chat and you'll be able to start chatting with the person. Right here, as you can see, hi, how are you? Just hit on send and this message will be delivered to this person. Now, going back to the new chat tab right here, as you can see, we'll be able to create a space or browse some spaces. Also, you could find some apps right here or check your message requests. All right. I also have a separate video on how to basically teaching you how to create a space. All right. An in-depth tutorial. Again, just go ahead and look it up on the channel. All right. In here, here's your home. You'll be able to find your direct messages right here. Mentions and stored. Here in the left pane, you can just go ahead and select a person or an email that you wanted to message. All right. Spaces right here and apps. You can just go ahead and click on explore apps right here if you want to include other apps in your Google Chat. All right. Just hit on install and you're good to go. Now, on the top right here, you can go ahead and select the status. For example, do not disturb for 30 minutes or until a specific time. All right. Or even 24 hours. Or you can just go ahead and select status away right there and add a status. All right. For example, be right back, hit on done right there. Now here's the setting. All right. If you want to play around with these, just go ahead and do so. Messages right here. Add appearance. Could be light and dark. All right. Density, comfortable or compact right there. Accessibility and access restriction. And here we have the apps again and the Google account. All right. Here on the right pane, you'll be able to find a calendar, Google Keep, task, and contacts. All right. Just click on contacts and head over to the contacts tab. And here you should be able to find all of your contacts. And if you want to, you can just go ahead and click one and send email or schedule an event, send a message or start a video call. If you don't want to forget their birthdays, you can go ahead and click on add birthday right here so that you'll be notified. All right. Now going back again, if you want to call someone, just go ahead and select a person right here or an email. All right. Go ahead and click on start a video call and enjoy. And in here as well, in the message pane, you can go ahead and add some emojis. All right. GIFs. Also upload some files if you want to. All right. Just go ahead and hit on send and wait for the person's reply. And that's basically how you use Google Chat on PC. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.